Three little pigs. I built my house of straw. I built my house of hay. With a diddle-doo-doo, I play all day. I built my house of sticks. I built my house of twig. With a diddle-diddle-doo, I play all day. I built my house of bricks. I built my house of stone. With work undone, I never have time to play and dance. La 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 do 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 do. He don't have more time to play. He works all day. Now you cannot stop me. You can have fun and play with the angry red bird. He will come and attack you guys. Who's afraid of the red bird? Red bird, red bird. Who's afraid of the red bird? I will kick him in the butt. I will stab him in the nose. I'll stab him in the tail. Oh no, I'll stab him in the ear. Who's afraid of the red bird? Red bird. Ah! Little pig, let me in. Not in the hair by my chinny chin chin. I'll huff and puff and blow your house down. Help! Help! Open the door and let me in. I'll find a joke. He's gone. Who's there? I'm a little old poor sheep with no house to live in. Please open the door and let me in.
You can't go up. No, he's scared.
Nah! I'll huff and puff and blow this house down. Let's go! Wait for me! See what I told you about the big, bad, angry bird? Only bricks and stone are wolf-proof. Yeah. Now at least you're safe and sound. Who's afraid of the big red bird? Big red bird, big red bird. Who's afraid of the big red bird? Who's there? On the postman deliver. Mail coming in. Thank you. No. No. I'll huff and puff and blow this house in. Hey, it's not blowing. It's not blowing. Try it one more time. Wait, it's not blowing. Okay, let's try chimney. Okay, let's get inside. Set a fire. Okay. Minutes later. Ouch. Okay, now let's sing. Who's afraid of the red bird? Red bird, red bird. Who's afraid of the red bird? Hide! Ha ha ha! Joked him.